Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install GIMP on Windows 10. So first of all, you have to go to this link and the link will be in the description box too. So please check the description box below. Now, if you have got the link or if you don't have the link, you can always go to the browser, go to google.com and then type GIMP on the search box. Then you can see the first result is from gimp.organization, right? Org. Now you have to click on this link and we have arrived in the web page, and we can see the download button here. We have to click on it. Then we need to scroll down and you can see we can download GIMP via BitTorrent or Microsoft Store or even directly. Since I'm going to show the video without using any of this software, BitTorrent or Microsoft Store, we're going to download it directly. Okay, so it is now downloading the file and we will wait. It will depend on your internet connection, how much time it will take to download. So let's wait. Oh, I'm just going to fast forward this. So we can see the download has finished. So what we'll do is we're going to open the downloaded file. Now it is saying install mode. Okay, so it can install for all users or for me only. Well, I guess just going to select for all users. Now I'm going to select OK. Okay, since we don't need the browser anymore, I'm just going to close that. So we are in the setup box and I'm just going to customize. Click next and program files GIMP2, fine, and go next. Yes, create a desktop icon, obviously, and everything seems fine. So it's extracting and installing, so we just need to wait a little bit so that it can finish. Probably going to fast forward this too, right? Okay, the GIMP setup has been finished, and now we have to click finish. We can see the application's shortcut is here on the desktop, and we can click on here so that we can open GIMP. It has been installed and works. I think it works okay. Yeah. Okay, it's just loading the files. All right. We have successfully installed GIMP and the application works as intended. And yeah, now you can create your projects and all of the things from GIMP. So thank you everybody for watching this video, and if you think this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. I will see you in another video. Goodbye.